Hey, what are some of the hottest niches for 2021? The hottest keywords for 2021 in self-publishing? That is coming up in this video. What is going on, everybody? I'm Becky coming at you here, and my goal is simple: to make self-publishing simple for you. So if you are a self-publisher or you're an author and you want to learn how to self-publish your books, how to make your current books more profitable, anything and everything about self-publishing, click subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and let me know, where are you in the self-publishing game right now? Hit me up in the comments. Let's talk about 2021 and some of the hot keyword predictions that we can take a look at for 2021. 2020 has been an absolutely incredible year. Self-publishing has never been hotter or more exciting, and 2021 is going to be even better. So if you're brand new or you're thinking about getting into self-publishing, one, subscribe to this YouTube channel, but two, don't wait, don't wait, just start. This is probably the best time ever to get into self-publishing. So don't wait any longer. Let's get you started. I want to do everything I can to help you with your self-publishing goals. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to be talking about some of the hottest niches to get into for 2021. I got a list here. I'm going to show you my 4 top ones. Wait till you get to number 1. It's going to be a doozy. So is doozy the right term? Anyways, let's get into it. So the first one is going to be travel. Yes. Depending on when you're watching this, the world might still be closed, but that ain't going to stop people. Travel is going to start picking up. So definitely 2020 took some time off with travel, but 2021, people are starting to get back into it. They're getting more comfortable with things. So traveling, anything to do with traveling, it is going to be a very, very exciting niche. I have seen some students doing some traveling stuff, and already sales are starting to pick up. So that's definitely one you want to be taking a look at. Now, the second one is one that has seen the ups and downs in all of 2020. That's the financial markets, finance and business books, specifically stuff around the actual financial markets. 2021, with the new president coming in, it's always going to shake things up with the financial markets, especially with how turbulent things were in 2020. And there's that little thing called cryptocurrency that seems to be making some sort of comeback. Definitely anything in the financial space is something you ought to be watching for self-publishers. Number 3, anything home-based. How to make this, how to do that, whatever. Anything home-based is going to be huge. Because let's face it, people are not going to just go back to what they were doing beforehand, right? Lots more parents are doing homeschooling, tons more, right? We're in the homeschooling space, so I know this. So, anything, homeschooling based, for example, or home-based, work from home, whatever the case is, to make life at home more convenient. Those are very, very, very searched topics right now. And that's just the way things are going to kind of be transversing, right? There's a lot of people who are not going to go back to the office to continue working. They're going to be working, from their computer. So you definitely want to take a look. And what I love about that is there's so many different areas and branches that you can get into with the home-based niche. So that's definitely one you want to be paying attention to. But the biggest one, and we saw this, man, this was insane for 2020. It kind of blew my mind. It still blows my mind. I still can't believe people think like this. But hey, you know what? This is going to be easy money for you. Easy money for you. Number 1 for 2021, conspiracy theories. Conspiracy theory nuts are going off the deep end. There is stuff from 5G to the, thing we've been dealing with in 2021. I got to keep this monetized, so I'm going to say it. But there has been conspiracies, theories that will just make your head spin. And the thing is, conspiracy theory nut jobs, if I could call them that, they will keep looking down the rabbit hole. So if you give them a little bit, you can just suck them into your world of conspiracy theory, whatever you're going to do. Just please don't fall into your own conspiracy theory books and go down that nut hole yourself. But that's going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one. We thought it was big for 2020. 2021, trust me, they're just going to get bigger and wilder and crazier. So yeah, there's money to be made in that niche for sure. But anyways, let me know what you think you're most excited about for 2021. As always, if you want to keep self-publishing simple, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And guys, hey, don't forget, check out this other video that I talk about the one niche I'm most excited about for 2021. It's going to be in this video, somewhere up on the screen right now. You can go watch that video. But that's the one niche I'm most excited about you publishing in to make bank in 2021. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.